Okay, make money online, passive income, digital products, work from home. If you are searching for ways to earn real income online in 2026, listen closely. Right below this video, I've added a link to start your own $1 Everby store. And today I'm going to show you how beginners go from zero tech skills and using it to build consistent passive income selling simple digital products from home. So before we jump in, drop a comment below to get a free step-by-step blueprint that'll show you exactly how to set this up. We'll also have the link below, but to make your first $100 a day in digital products. But there is a disclaimer here. This video is for educational purposes only. I need to say this because of YouTube. That contains no guarantees of income. So results always depend on your work, your consistency, your willingness to learn. But thousands of beginners are using Everby stores to build real income. And today I'll show you how to do the same. So why are Everby stores a game changer? Most beginners start on Etsy or Shopify or Wix, and then they get frustrated. Buyers click your listing, and Etsy shows them competitors right next to your listings. So, which Etsy is a great platform, but you don't want to be competing when you're new with other competitors that just wash you out. So you lose your sale. And that's why creators are switching to Everby Store, because it's just $1 to start. You get a fully AI powered online store, which is incredible. That's your own, no coding, no Shopify headaches, no plugins, no tech meltdowns. So how does this work? When you click start store in Everby and ask it one simple question, you just go in there to everby.io/store. And then what kind of store do you want? So you type a sentence like, I want to create a digital planner store for busy moms. Be specific and find your niche. So maybe it's a t-shirt shop for fitness lovers. Not just a t-shirt shop, but for fitness lovers or single moms or moms, stay-at-home moms. And then the AI builds the store, the homepage, the color palettes, the fonts, the buttons, the mobile layout, the product sections, even the legal pages like your terms of sale, your refund, the about store, all done in a matter of minutes. I mean, it is so incredibly quick. So inside the Everby dashboard, the first thing that you're going to do is once you start adding products, you click add product. You can upload whatever you want. You can even migrate your current Etsy store just in one click over to Everby store, including, I believe it's Wix now also, but you can do Canva templates. You can do digital planners. We do this wall art that's made with AI. That's one of my favorites to do. So if you want to do something really cool and unique, you can do it with a holiday theme, different Mardi Gras, Christmas. You can do sticker sheets. You can do ebook downloads, Notion templates, courses, different things like that. And that's what's so cool about this. So remember, you can move, if you're at Etsy and you're getting washed out, you can move your Etsy listings automatically over, and I would suggest that you do it. So how do you make a passive income from this? That's the big question here. So when people come to your store, you keep all the attention and you keep all the profits. That's the key here. You don't give a percentage over to the platform like Etsy. It's that simple. Here's the simple formula that beginners are using. So you use this super cool tool called Everby Research, and to find your trending digital products. And This is one of my, if not my favorite tool for putting products in. And then you create your version in Canva. You upload it to Everby Store. Then you add a Pinterest pin. Just go to Canva, create a Pinterest pin, or add it to a TikTok video or an Instagram reel, and let the store work for you 24/7. It's that easy. This is how beginners with no audience start earning 20, 50, even $100 per day with one digital file at a time. So that's $3,000 a month if you're making $100 a day and there's 30 days. Simple math. So once you have that product selling, you add 5 more products and then 10 more products. Everby gives you unlimited product options so you can scale it easily. So you can add as many as you want. Your store becomes a digital product machine, and that's how creators turn a side hustle into a consistent passive income. So one thing, when you become successful with this, you can start building those courses on how you became successful. So if you want to build a passive income selling digital products, click the first link below, get your $1 Everby store, and don't forget, drop a comment below, get your free step-by-step blueprint that's going to walk you through launching your first profitable store. And I try to give you as much as I can at low cost to help you grow. So like, subscribe, share this video with some people that you care about, and start your digital freedom journey today. So you can launch this on over the weekend and start doing this by next week. So it is so fun. So don't drag your feet. Don't be on the bandwagon, sitting on the fence, watching all these different videos. Jump into this. You're going to love it.